Alberto, this is my motherland. Togenda kunjogeza Luzungu wanene Kampala. Alberto, go away Kampala, go away Ntebe. Alberto, kuva webanga. Now, Alberto, look for translator. Segenda kala kuluma mtwe gwa Luzungu. No way, Alberto. Alberto, kuva webanga manki oli Kampala. Mbogo oli wali eri Ntebe. Ukwata yuko visa. Alberto mbako. Alberto gwataliko visa nti omwami anawulira tunapya keti ati nyingeze mu America oli wali Ntebe. Alberto, you are fellow Ugandan. Alberto, you are fellow Ugandan. Mbasigadde na abakuno. Alberto, they told me that you don't you don't have what is coming next. Alberto. Munange Alberto, they told me that for you kusomba, we have somebody all Entebbe girls toina golese okusomba bakuita batya, offload, onload her. You offload, incoming. You do those things of incoming. So Alberto, in the comment section, the Gundi Abana, they told me that I kugumira from okuguma yeba kuita bacha. I kuguma where I am. For you don't have what is next. Alberto, I am trying hard. Alberto, we are friends, nothing more. They told me in the comment section that Alberto, someone told me that people that know you, for you don't you don't remove even a one hand. Removing. You don't remove. Alberto, wablande kanze.